Hi there, it's Chef Annie Michael. In this episode, I'll be making vegetable stir fry with fried yam and plantain. Among other ingredients, I have my favorite Cayenne all-purpose seasoning. I season the yam with a teaspoon of Cayenne all-purpose seasoning and half a teaspoon of salt, mixed together and set aside. I season the plantain with half a teaspoon of Cayenne seasoning and a quarter teaspoon of salt, mixed together and set aside. Preheat the oil and fry the yam for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then take it out. Throw in the plantain, fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, then take it out. Then I drizzle in some vegetable oil, add onion, I add some smoked fish, allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. I add green bell pepper, chopped fresh tomato, green beans, and spring onion. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Then I add carrots and fresh chilli. A quarter teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of Cayenne all-purpose seasoning. With this seasoning, you can cook anything and everything. That's it. How Cayenne makes vegetable stir fry with fried yam and fried plantain using Cayenne all-purpose seasoning. Thanks for watching. Please come back next time for another exciting episode.